Hey folks, Internet Dude here. Hey, I just want to show you something that just came up. So you walk up to the car, door handles pop out. It's just the end of April right now, and I have another door handle that's failed. I'll show you in a second. That one I had fail in November. This one I had fail in February. And now this one's fine, but this one has failed. It stopped presenting, so you can hear that faint little motor noise in there. The bad news is I'm merely a few days out of warranty on this car now. I didn't get the extended warranty, but I have a feeling they'd probably goodwill that repair because it's just been a few days. So 3 out of 4 door handles fail in under 6 months, and not sure what's going to happen. Maybe this one can break between now and the time that the Mobile Tech comes out, because maybe that one could be part of it. But anyway, there you go. 3 out of 4 Tesla door handles break, leading up to that 4-year mark on the car. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.